Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Grand Cherokee oil light. First, get into your vehicle and ensure the engine is off. Turn the ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. This powers up the electrical system, preparing for the next step. Make sure all doors are closed and the vehicle is in park. Now, with the ignition still in the on position, fully depress the accelerator pedal to the floor 3 times. It's important to do this quickly, completing all 3 presses within 10 seconds. Make sure each press is a complete and smooth motion. This action signals the vehicle's computer to reset the oil change reminder. After performing the 3 pedal presses, turn the ignition completely to the off position. Wait a few seconds, then start your engine as you normally would. The oil change light should now be off. If it remains illuminated, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning, ensuring you follow each step precisely. If the oil light still won't reset after multiple attempts, it might indicate a different underlying issue, or perhaps the oil change itself wasn't properly recorded by the system. Always ensure your oil and filter have been recently changed. For other great deals, and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.